questions. Here are some common responses and expressions. That's amazing. I totally agree with you. I don't think so. That makes sense. I have no idea. That's interesting. Tell me more. I'm not sure about that. That's a great suggestion. Congratulations. Well done. That's too bad. I'm sorry to hear that. Emergency and health situations. Here are some useful sentences for emergencies and health situations. Call an ambulance. I need a doctor. Where is the nearest hospital? I have a fever. I'm feeling dizzy. I have a headache. Please help me. There's been an accident. Stay calm and take deep breaths. Daily use English sentences for beginners. Improve your English speaking skills. Hello and welcome to English Gateway. Today, we are going to learn daily use English sentences that will help you speak English confidently. These sentences are simple, easy to remember, and useful for everyday life. So, let's get started. Greetings and small talk. Let's begin with some common greetings and small talk phrases. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Have a great day. Nice to meet you. How's your day going? What's up? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Long time no see. How have you been? See you later. Take care. Good night. Sweet dreams. Take care and stay safe. Asking and giving information. Now, let's learn some sentences to ask and give information. What time is it? Where is the nearest bus stop? Can you help me, please? Excuse me. Do you know where this place is? How much does this cost? I don't understand. Can you repeat that? I'm new here. Can you guide me? The bank is next to the supermarket. There's a pharmacy across the street. It's about a 10-minute walk from here. Shopping and restaurants. Now, let's practice English for shopping and eating out. How much is this? Do you have this in a different size? I would like to buy this. Can I get a discount? I'm just looking. Thank you. Can I see the menu, please? I'd like a cup of coffee, please. I'll have a cheeseburger with fries. Could you bring me the bill, please? The food was delicious. Thank you. Travel and transportation. These sentences will help you while traveling. Where is the nearest train station? How can I get to the airport? What time does the bus arrive? I need a taxi, please. Can I book a ticket to New York? How long does the journey take? Is this seat taken? I have a reservation under my name. Can you suggest a good hotel nearby? Enjoy your trip. Expressing needs and feelings. Next, let's learn how to express what you need and how you feel. I need some help. Can you do me a favor? I feel tired today. I'm so happy to see you. I'm a little busy right now. I don't feel well. I am excited about this trip. That sounds like a great idea. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Making plans and invitations. Now, let's learn how to make plans and invite someone. What are you doing this weekend? Would you like to go out for dinner? Let's go to the movies. What time should we meet? Can we reschedule our meeting? I'll be there at 5 p.m. Let's catch up soon. That sounds fun. Let's do it. I'll check my schedule and let you know. See you at the party, at work and school. These sentences will help you at work or school. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Could you send me the report? I'll finish this project by tomorrow. Let's work together on this assignment. I have an important exam next week. Could you explain this topic again? I need to take a short break. Please submit your homework by Friday. Let's have a group discussion. Good job. Keep up the hard work. Common responses and expressions. Here are some common responses and expressions. That's amazing. I totally agree with you. I don't think so. That makes sense. I have no idea. That's interesting. Tell me more. I'm not sure about that. That's a great suggestion. Congratulations. Well done. That's too bad. I'm sorry to hear that. Emergency and health situations. Here are some useful sentences for emergencies and health situations. Call an ambulance. I need a doctor. Where is the nearest hospital? I have a fever. I'm feeling dizzy. I have a headache. Please help me. There's been an accident. Stay calm and take deep breaths. Everything will be okay. Keep trying and you will succeed. Every small step brings you closer to your goal. Believe in yourself and anything is possible. Mistakes help you learn and grow. Stay positive and good things will happen. Hard work always pays off in the end. Never stop learning, never stop growing. You are stronger than you think. The best time to start is now. Your efforts today will shape your future. I'd like to check out now. I'm really sorry for the mistake. Please forgive me. I didn't mean to hurt you. It won't happen again. That's okay. Don't worry about it. I understand. No problem. I appreciate your apology. let's forget about it. Thank you for understanding. I owe you an apology. I love reading books. My favorite hobby is painting. I enjoy playing the guitar. I like watching movies in my free time. I'm interested in learning new languages. Cooking is my passion. I love traveling to new places. Photography is my favorite hobby. I like playing sports. What are your hobbies? I think this is a great idea. In my opinion, this is the best option. You should try this new restaurant. Why don't we go for a walk? I suggest you take some rest. This movie is worth watching. I highly recommend this book. That's an interesting point. Maybe we can do it another way. Let's give it a try. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Never give up. Every day is a new beginning. Keep going. You're doing great. Mistakes help us learn. Stay positive and work hard. Success comes with patience. Dream big and achieve big. Your hard work will pay off. That's it for today. I hope you found these sentences useful. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try using these sentences in your daily conversations. Let me know in the comments which sentences were new for you. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more videos like this. See you in the next lesson. Take care and keep practicing.